Hello friends, it's Yogita, and today I'm going to talk about my pregnancy experience in Japan as an Indian. So when I skipped my periods by 1 week, I was not sure that I was pregnant or not. So we went to buy those pregnancy test sticks to confirm my pregnancy at home. So those pregnancy kits are called Ninshin Kensayaku in Japanese. So you visit your local drugstore and ask for Ninshin Kensayaku there. So I confirmed my pregnancy using those kits, and then when I was confirmed, I try searching a good gynecology clinic. Gynecology is called Fujinka in Japanese. So we found a good clinic nearby our house, and the doctor was really kind and used to explain us very politely, very kindly, and in simple words, make it simple for us. And so after booking my appointment at the gynecology clinic, Fujinka, I went there. He visited there. The doctor, he confirmed my pregnancy by doing a transvaginal ultrasound, and we could see baby's heartbeat on screen, and we were so happy to see our baby on screen for first time. And so he confirmed the pregnancy and gave us a cute first picture of our baby. Cute first ultrasound scan of our baby. So once the doctor confirms your pregnancy, he will give you a paper proving that you are pregnant. So you take that paper and your residence card to City Hall and register your pregnancy there. So after you register your pregnancy at City Hall, you will get a pregnancy kit from City Hall. That pregnancy kit contains this maternal and child health handbook. This is called Boshi Kenko Techo. This is really important, the most important handbook you have, and you will be carrying this document until your baby turns 6. So this handbook contains all the tests that will be done during your pregnancy, your baby's health, your health, and everything. It will be written in this book. So you need to keep it in a safe place. And the second important thing you get from City Hall is this coupon book. This is Jushin Hyo in Japanese. So this is really important. This will provide you with the discount and subsidy on all your clinic visits and tests. So keep it really safe. And the third important thing you get from City Hall is this pregnancy badge. This pregnancy badge, you keep it on your bag or keep it on your phone or bag. So you can get priority seatings and priority parking areas using this badge. And other things you get from City Hall are many goodies. So these are coupons of different stores, maternity and baby stores. In first trimester, the clinic visits are every 2 weeks, and in second trimester, the clinic visits are once in a month, and then in third trimester until week 36, your visits will be every 2 weeks, and after 36 weeks, the visits will be every week. So now I'm going to talk about what happens at every visit to the clinic. So at every visit, you need to check in and submit your 4 important documents. The first one is Boshi Kenko Techo. This is this handbook, maternal and child health handbook. And the second important thing you submit there is your coupon book, that is Jubin Hyo. And third important thing is your Hokensho, that is health insurance card. And fourth thing is your clinic card. So these 4 documents you need to carry with you on every hospital visit. After you check in at the clinic, you self-check your weight and your blood pressure and submit your urine sample there, and then you proceed to meet Oisha-san, that is doctor, and Isha-san will do your ultrasound every time you visit and will explain you about your baby's growth, and at every step and every week he will tell you about your baby's growth and about your health and what you should do, what you should not do, those things. So that is about the doctor visit, a clinic visit, and then you pay there, and then you go home with a cute picture of your baby. And that's about today's video. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Happy pregnancy.